Welcome guys to my Facinator Hat tutorial. Stick around now. Today I'm doing a Facinator hat and these are all the items that I'll be using today. I'm using a glue gun, some needles, a bando, jewelry beads and decor mesh. This is a gold decor mesh and I'm using a larger size black mesh. This is used specifically under skirtings and dresses to form that can shape. The largest size I'm using is a 8x8. I'm using a 6x6, 4x4 and 3x3. All I did is fold it in half like a triangle and I'll fold it and curl it to form a cone shape. And I'm using my glue gun this morning because it's faster, but normally I will use a needle and thread. So just curl it on itself and stick it. And I do all my pieces in this manner. I fold it and curl it on itself and glue it in place. Now the little sharp edge that I'd get on top, I just trim it away to form a smoother curve. I prepare all my pieces before starting to attach the piece. Remember to cut to shape. The piece that I opt to use together with my bando is a shoulder padding and I'll share it with you. These are all the pieces set out. This is the shoulder pad, guys, and I formed it into a circle. These are my rhinestone stickers and beads. This is the padding and I'm just attaching the piece onto the padding. Now you can use cardboard, you can just use a bando, you can use anything available to you. I'm using the padding and the bando. So the placement I'm just setting up to see which works best for me. And I so enjoy doing this. It's a fairly quick process once you have all the pieces together. The rhinestones, I'm attach them to the piece with my glue gun and I inserted a little flower just for added interest. So these are all the stickers that I used and formed them onto the piece. And it really gives a lovely look and the sparkles from the gold decor mesh against the black really look rich. I'm attaching it to the bando with my glue gun. Once attached, I will attach also the little flower on the top section. So I'll just run a little glue and attach the piece stick. Sorry guys, my grandson was watching television, so that was the noise you were hearing. So it's attached to the bando and it looks pretty lovely. That's the flower in place there. And this was my hat for the Mad Hatter's tea party. These are some other guests that was at the party and they did their hats. So guys, I hope you enjoy my presentation. Do try it. It has been a lovely experience. And I'll see you soon.